Hi!
Hi.
We are very used to travel and to film and take pictures by the air. And if you Google our names, you will see a lot of previous adventures, pictures, reports on internet. And this year we have chosen Phuket because it's one of the most scenic and beautiful destinations, especially seen from the sky. We want to see Koh Phi Phi Island, we want to see Krabi, and even if you don't vote for us, we will go anyway.
Maybe.
Maybe to visit Phuket.